So at this point, if I'm worried about anything, it's the quantity of the vegetables. But I think it should be manageable because both the okra and the brinjal, after getting cooked, will get shrinked and it will be reduced in size. So yeah, I think it should be good. Let's see.
I'm exiled to the greener grass, searching for the uncertain haze. Familiar skies and a well-worn path. Oh yeah, I need a cloud to cover up my escape. The clock is an unforgiving warning, who watches as I'm off mistaken. Is it deep enough to risk it? Am I too broken to fix it? Sinking deeper in the bog, but I see clearer in the fog.
Well, the way I like to eat vada sambar is usually take the vada, dip it in sambar, and just soak it for 1 or 2 minutes, and then just take a bite. It's one of the most satisfying bites you will ever take. This is amazing. I can never say no to a good idli vada sambar plate. Whether it's a breakfast, lunch, or dinner, I am always in. Thanks for being here. You're watching day 2 of Street Foods of India, and a lot more dishes are yet to come. The next one will be definitely from Maharashtra. I'm not going to reveal which one. But stay tuned, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hope you have a good day.